Severe weather outbreak expected for Friday, May the 16th across areas you see on your screen. This is the latest per the Storm Prediction Center as of the evening of May the 15th, which is when I'm making this video. So some of this information could change, but we have a moderate risk in the red area you see on your screen, a level 4 out of 5 per the Storm Prediction Center. If you live in that orange area, that is a level 3 out of 5, an enhanced risk. And if you live in the yellow area, that's a level 2 out of 5, a slight risk of severe weather. If you live in that red and orange area, folks, you have a risk of strong tornadoes, significant wind gusts in excess of 75, 80 miles per hour, maybe even higher, and very large hail. Now, if we take a look at the actual outlooks, for example, the tornado outlook, if you live in that yellow area, folks, a risk of not only a tornado within 25 miles of any given location, a 10% risk of it, but you also have a 10% risk of a strong tornado, an EF2 or higher, which is what a strong tornado is considered per the Storm Prediction Center. That brown area, that is a 5% risk of a tornado within 25 miles of any given location for tomorrow into tomorrow night. If you live in the green area, that's a 2% risk of a tornado. Now, if we look at the wind threat, which is actually what's driving as of now that moderate risk, that upgrade from an enhanced to a moderate risk, which is what we got this afternoon. And that pink area, folks, that is at least a 45% chance of winds exceeding 55 to 60 miles per hour, almost a 50-50 shot. The red area is a 30% chance of that. And if you live in the black outline region, which pretty much covers the entire red area and definitely covers all the pink area, that is a 10% risk of significant wind gust, winds in excess of 75, 80, 85 miles per hour or higher. This is going to be a nasty, severe weather event. The last thing we'll look at is the risk of hail. So if you live in that red area, a 30% risk of hail exceeding 1 inch in diameter or larger. That yellow area, that is a 15% risk of hail exceeding 1 inch in diameter or larger. But if you live in that black outline region, folks, that is a 10% risk of significant sized hail. Hail exceeding 2 inch in diameter or larger. So places like St. Louis down to Paducah, Louisville, down to like Poplar Bluff, the Buda, Missouri, Jonesboro, Arkansas. Folks, not only do you have the risk of severe weather, but you have the risk of all hazards and the potential for strong tornadoes, very large hail, and significant wind gusts. Stay safe. I have another update in the morning. Hit me up at Mitch West Weather and check out my videos there. I get much more detailed.